I'm very excited about our new listing this week at the MERCER building, one of my favorite buildings in Commercial Drive, which is just half a block from Trout Lake. And y'all know I can go on all day about the joys of living on Trout Lake. And half a block from my favorite cafe in East Van, which is called Commercial Street Cafe. Beloved by the locals. It's like a little known gem where you can bump into your neighbors, and it just fosters such incredible community to hang out there. So I'm excited to show ya.